Imagine if I were to tell you that the best weight loss method does not involve counting every single calorie, cutting out all your favorite foods, or running for hours on the treadmill. Imagine you still get to enjoy food you love just in the right moments and you see results. That's the miracle of intermittent fasting. Here in this video, I'm going to tell you everything about intermittent fasting for weight loss, how it does work, the benefit, and how to start today. Let me take a step back in time a couple of years. I was stuck in the same cycle that most people get into, trying every ways on how to lose weight fast trick online. I would look up on things like how many calories should I eat in order to lose weight or how to lose weight in 7 days. I tried crash diets, tons of cardio, and even eliminating entire food groups. Nothing worked. And then I discovered intermittent fasting. Initially, I thought, wait, skipping breakfast can actually help me lose weight? But eventually, I began to see my body transform. I wasn't only losing weight, I felt more energetic, more focused, and I didn't feel stuck with the nagging thought of what do I eat next? What is intermittent fasting then? While diet focuses on what to eat, intermittent fasting is all about when to eat. The most popular methods are 16/8 methods, restricting the times you get to eat an 8 hours window while fasting for 16 hours. The 5/2 method, eating normally for 5 days and cutting calories to approximately 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. The eat, stop, eat method, 24-hour fast 1 or 2 times per week. Here's the science now. Fasting lowers your level of insulin and allows your body to tap into the stored fat for energy. Growth hormones level increase while fasting, promoting fat loss and muscle sparing. Your body actually goes into fat burning mode, making it one of the fastest methods to shedding weight naturally. But weight loss is only one benefit. Studies show intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for blood sugar management. Reduce inflammation, which is linked to many chronic illnesses. Encourage brain function and longevity. For those who seek how to lose weight without exercise or how to lose water weight, intermittent fasting is a game changer. Paired with walking, like gaining 10,000 steps a day for weight loss, and the gains are even faster. So how do you actually start intermittent fasting? Number 1, select a plan that you can incorporate into your schedule. Most beginners start with the 16/8 plan since it is simple. For example, forgo breakfast, lunch between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., and fast for the rest of the day. Second, drink lots of water. Your best friend during fasting are water, black coffee, and green tea. They suppress hunger and gives you energy. Third, smartly break your fast. Once your eating window is open, follow whole foods, lean protein, vegetables, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Yes, indulge in treats, but in moderation. Fourth, listen to your body. Your body will find the first week challenging but adapts quickly. And if you're wondering how many calories should I eat to lose weight, fasting can make it easy. By simply reducing your time window, you end up eating fewer calories without having to keep tabs on each bite. Here's the truth. There is no magic pill for losing weight, but intermittent fasting is one of the best ways to lose weight that feels sustainable. Whether your goal is losing weight fast, improving your health, or just feeling better in your own skin, Fasting is a tool worth trying. So go ahead, take the first step. Try a basic 16/8 fast tomorrow. It could be the start of your weight loss journey without the perpetual frustration of dieting. If you like this video, please click that like button and share it with a friend who is on the same weight loss journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weight loss secrets backed by science, fitness advice, and healthy lifestyle hacks. You won't want to miss what's coming, trust me.